Welcome to the next-gen auto hub. The Honda Accord 1976 marked the birth of one of Honda's most successful and long-running nameplates. Introduced as a step up from the already popular Civic, the Accord was designed to meet the growing demand for a slightly larger, more refined, and versatile compact car. While still economical and practical, the Accord added comfort, style, and performance that helped Honda expand its reach in global markets, particularly in North America and Europe. Exterior design. The 1976 Accord carried a sleek, modern design that stood apart from the smaller Civic. With its longer wheelbase and hatchback configuration, it provided more space without losing the nimbleness of a compact car. The simple yet elegant styling included a sloping hood, large glass areas for excellent visibility, and clean body lines that gave it a contemporary look for the mid-1970s. Its hatchback rear design also added versatility, making it practical for families and individuals alike. Interior and comfort. Inside, the Accord focused on comfort and convenience, offering features that were often seen only in higher-class vehicles of the time. The cabin was roomy for a compact car, with well-padded seats, thoughtful ergonomics, and quality materials that reflected Honda's growing reputation for refinement. Standard equipment included reclining bucket seats, an AM/FM radio, intermittent wipers, and even a tachometer, impressive for an entry-level car of its era. The rear seats folded down, expanding the cargo area and making the Accord an adaptable choice for daily driving or weekend trips. Performance and engines. Under the hood, the first-generation Accord debuted with a 1.6-liter CVCC engine producing around 68 horsepower. Like the Civic, the Accord's CVCC technology allowed it to meet strict emission standards without relying on a catalytic converter, giving Honda a major technological edge over competitors. While not overly powerful, the Accord's lightweight design and front-wheel drive layout delivered excellent fuel economy and practical performance. Its 5-speed manual transmission, a rarity in the US at the time, and optional 2-speed automatic offered flexibility for different drivers. Driving dynamics. The Accord quickly built a reputation for being smooth, reliable, and enjoyable to drive. Independent suspension on all four wheels gave it stability and comfort, while its compact size made it easy to handle in urban traffic. It struck a balance between economy and fun-to-drive characteristics, appealing to a wide audience that wanted more than just basic transportation. Safety and features. Honda equipped the Accord with thoughtful safety features for its class, including front disc brakes, energy-absorbing bumpers, and a well-engineered body structure. These elements gave drivers added peace of mind, especially as the Accord gained traction as a family-friendly vehicle. Market position and legacy. Priced competitively, the 1976 Accord was an instant hit, especially in the United States where buyers were shifting toward fuel-efficient Japanese cars after the oil crisis. The Accord combined efficiency, comfort, and dependability in a way that few rivals could match. Its strong initial sales laid the foundation for the Accord to become one of the best-selling cars in North America for decades. Conclusion. The Honda Accord 1976 was more than just a slightly bigger Civic. It redefined what a compact car could be by blending efficiency with comfort, technology, and versatility. This first generation set the tone for a model line that would go on to become one of Honda's greatest successes, loved for its reliability, innovation, and broad appeal across generations. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe for the next update.